Hi guys, welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video we'll be seeing how to make a paper butterfly. So let's get started. So for this activity we need two square sheets of paper, one measuring 5 cm and another one measuring 6 cm. We also need some sellotape and a pair of scissors. So the first step is that we should take the large paper and we have to fold it little by little on both the sides. You have to fold it like this on one side, then we have to turn the paper to the opposite side and I'm folding it a little bit on this side as well. So I'm repeating the same step again and again. So after we're done with this, we have to keep this aside and we have to take the second paper and do the same steps again. So I'm folding it little by little. So after we're done with that, we have to take the first paper and we have to fold it in half. After we're done folding it in half, we have to open it and we have to tape it in the middle. So I'm taking some sellotape. I'm taping it in the middle. So after we're done with that, we have to take the second paper and we also have to fold it in half again and we have to tape it in the middle. So I'm taking some sellotape and I'm taping it in the middle. So now I'm taking some sellotape again and I'm taping these two paper together like this. So I'm taking this paper, I'm taking another paper and I'm keeping it on the top of the first paper and I'm taping it together on the middle. So I'm taping it. So after we're done with that, we have to take the pair of scissors and we have to cut the paper a little bit on the top and bottom of both the sides. So I'm cutting it. So I'm cutting it like a circle so that it will be very beautiful. And now I'm cutting it on the top. Now I'm cutting it on the opposite side. So now we have to open the wings. And our paper butterfly is ready. So we have to take this wings and open it very largely so that it will be very beautiful. So it's a very beautiful butterfly and we can also make it in an easy way and we can hang it on our front doors to make our room more beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye.